Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, August the 17th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today, and we can see that we have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Previously we had a series of candles making lower highs and lower lows, and today that change of trend. Now that change of trend has come on a candle with a fairly large green body compared to the previous three bodies, and that denotes the buyers making some very solid net bullish progress. Only one worry for the bulls, and that's the long or relatively long shadow on the top of the candle, and that represents downside price rejection. It represents selling coming in. So even though it's a fairly bullish candle with regard to the size of the body, we had some selling coming in here. Now that selling coincided with the Tenkan Sen, the green line here, offering resistance. So the market has traded up to there and the market has then sold off. Also, the area at the Kijun Sen, which has turned flat, is offering potential resistance to this market too, as the market's failed to close above that level. Now, the previous day's trading, we had this very small green-bodied candle with a fairly long, relatively long shadow on the end, and that set this market up for a potential change of trend to the upside. Also, the fact that the Kijun Sen here, this pink line, which represents the price action in the trending price action in the medium-term time frame, has turned flat, and when that happens, the price action tends to be attracted back towards there, and that's exactly what's happened here. The market has been attracted towards that level. Now, the market is trading within the cloud, so we have an overall neutral market. So not really a market where we'd like to be going long or short in probably a medium-term time frame. With regard to those faster time frames, the market is trading down below the Tenkan Sen, which is the green line. That means that the market is still bearish in the fast-term time frame. In the medium-term time frame, the market is just below the Kijun Sen. So the market is technically bearish in the medium term, but basically the market has closed at that level, so it's neutral in that time frame. So not really a market that we want to be trading in any longer time frames at the moment. We should be waiting for a breakout. There is a possibility that the market may continue to rally past the Tenkan Sen. Obviously, the 1099, 1100 round number is an important area for this market to potentially continue higher highs and higher lows. We have strong resistance at 1106, and then certainly just above there around the 1109 to 1110 at the top of the cloud. So if the market does break out up above the cloud, then there is potential for a buy signal. By the same token, if the market changes trend again to the downside, trades through the 1080 potential support and down through the bottom of the cloud, which is around the 1060 level, then there is potential for the market to turn bearish in the longer term time frame. So a fairly indecisive market in bigger picture terms and in the medium term time frame, bearish in the shorter term time frame at the moment, but the market has retraced back towards both of those Ichimoku indicators. So we have mean reversion at the moment in a market that's really quite neutral in all time frames.